body weight exercise we're gonna check out here is the glute bridge, okay? So we'll start feet flat on the ground, knees bent, okay? My low back, I wanna put a little bit of pressure down into the ground when I do that, or when I push down. You should feel more pressure, I should say, of your low back into the ground. And when that happens, the feedback that'll tell you if you're doing it correctly or not is you should feel your abs turn on, okay? So from there, what I'm gonna do, I've got the weight distributed flat, my feet are flat, but I'm putting pressure on the inside of my feet, my big toe. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bridge my hips to the ceiling while shooting my knees forward, okay? When I get to the top, I should feel glutes, a little bit of hamstrings, but mostly glutes. And then I'm gonna come back down. This isn't about how high you get your hips to the ceiling. That's something that people make a big mistake with this exercise. Is they'll shoot their hips up way up high like that, and yes, they'll feel their glutes, but you're also using a lot of low back. And that's not even just the muscles of your low back. You're jamming your spine, you're compressing your spine as you do that. So done repetitively over time, that's not good for your spinal health. It can lead to low back pain, et cetera, et cetera. We don't want to mess with that. So don't worry about how high you get up. Worry about the cues I just gave you of getting you in the right position and feeling the right things. When you get that pressure on the inside of your feet and you shoot your knees forward, that'll do all that you need to get your glutes going, and you'll get a lot more benefit without beating your body up.